Hello kids, welcome to Kidsland. Today we learned the name of sea animals. So let's go. A fish. F-I-S-H, fish. A fish. A turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. A turtle. A shark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. A shark. A horsefish. H-O-R-S-E, horse. F-I-S-H, fish. A horsefish. A crab. C-R-A-B, crab. A crab. An octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, an octopus. A whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. A whale. A starfish. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H, fish. A starfish. A dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. A dolphin. A dugong. D-U-G-O-N-G, dugong. A dugong. A jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y, jelly. F-I-S-H, fish. A jellyfish. A manta. M-A-N-T-A-R-E-Y, manta. A manta. A barracuda. B-A-R-R-A-C-U-D-A, a barracuda. A lobster. L-O-B-S-T-E-R, a lobster. A glowfish. G-L-O-W-F-I-S-H, fish. A glowfish. A tuna fish. T-U-N-E-F-I-S-H, fish. A tuna fish. An anglerfish. A-N-G-L-E-R, angler. F-I-S-H, fish. An anglerfish. A crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. A crocodile. A duck. D-U-C-K, duck. A duck. A swan. S-W-A-N, swan. A seal. S-E-A-L, seal. A seal.